Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Let's start now. The habit that quietly destroy your life. There is something very strange about human life. Most people do not destroy their life in one day. They destroy it slowly, very slowly. Not thought a big mistake, but thought small habit. Habit that feel normal. Habit that feel harmless. Habit that feel comfortable. And because they feel comfortable, people repeat them every day. They repeat them for months, they repeat them for years, until one day they wake up and realize something painful. They realize their life is not where they accepted it to be. They realize they had dreams, they had opportunities, they had time, but they lost in because of habit they never control. And then they say something that millions of people say every year. I wish I had changed my habit earlier. That sentence is full of regret because regret is the pain of realizing what life could have been. But here is the truth: your life is not decided by luck. Your life is decided by your habit. Your life is built daily. People often believe that life change because of big events, but that is not true. Life changes because of daily action. What you do every day become your future. If you wake up early every day, your life slowly become productive. If you read books every day, your mind become powerful. If you learn new skills every day, your opportunities grow. But if you waste time every day, your potential slowly disappear. The problem with habit is that they are invisible. They can't see their effect immediately, but over the time, their impact become massive. Just like a small seed become a big tree, small habit become a big outcome. Bad habit destroy life slowly. Bad habits are dangerous because they do not feel dangerous. Imagine someone who wastes just 1 hour every day, just 1 hour. That does not look serious, but in 1 year, that become more than 365 hours. That is more than 2 full weeks of life. Now imagine wasting 2 hours daily. Now imagine wasting 5 years. The time disappear, the opportunities disappear, the potential disappear, and slowly life become average. Not because the person lack talent, but because the person lack discipline. The comfort gap. Bad habits survive because they are comfortable. Comfort tell you, relax, you can start tomorrow. Comfort tell you, you deserve rest. Comfort tell you, everyone else is doing the same thing. But comfort is dangerous. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Growth require efforts. Growth require discipline. Growth require doing things that are difficult. But those difficult actions build powerful lives. Comfort builds weak life, the regret of lost time. If you talk to older people, many of them will tell you something very honest. They will tell you they had dreams, they had ambition, they wanted to build something great, but they delay things. They wasted time and slowly their dreams disappear. Not because dreams were impossible, but because the habit were weak. Regret is painful because it reminds us of the life we could have created, and that pain stay forever. Good habit create powerful future. The beautiful things about habit is this: just like bad habit destroy life, good habit build life. Imagine reading just 10 pages every day. In 1 year, you will read more than 3,600 pages. That is a more knowledge than most people gain in a year. Imagine exercising just 30 minutes daily. In 5 years, your body becomes strong and healthy. Imagine improving your skills every day. Your value increase, your opportunities increase, your confidence increase. Success is not a magic. Success is habit. Discipline change everything. Discipline is not a punishment. Discipline is self-respect. It's mean you respect your future enough to control your present. When you build discipline, you control your habit. When you control your habit, you control your life. And when you control your life, your future become powerful. Discipline is the bridge between where you are today and where you want to be tomorrow. Start changing today. Many people say they will start tomorrow, but tomorrow is a dangerous word. Tomorrow become a next week. Next week become a next month. Next month become a next year. And suddenly 5 years have passed. If you want a better future, start today. Pass. If you want a better future, start today. Start today. Not perfectly, but consistently. Small progress every day is powerful. Look honestly at your habit. Ask yourself one important question: are your habit building the life you want or destroying it? Because the truth is simple. Good habit build strong future. Bad habit destroy potential. Your future is not decided by luck. Your future is decided by what you repeat every single day. Change your habit and you will change your life. If this message help you understand the power of habit, subscribe to this channel because here we talk about discipline and building a powerful life. Start building strong habit today and slowly, slowly your entire life